turn Henry's tattoos, I'm going to show you how to make curried mixed nuts. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 160 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to do this recipe based on 1.5 kilos of mixed nuts. So I'm going to do this with almonds. We'll add some peanuts, some cashews, some macadamias, hazelnuts, and some Brazil nuts. Now guys, you can do this with whatever nuts you want, that's completely up to you. Let's just mix this all together. Just like so. And I've just got a baking tray here lined with some baking paper. We're just going to spray some oil onto it. And we'll just go ahead and add all our nuts straight on. Just like so. So guys, you want to make sure it's on a nice single layer. If you don't have enough space, do this in 2 batches, that's fine. So we're just going to go ahead and put this into the oven for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so just into the bowl we're going to crack in 3 egg whites. Alright guys, so just using a hand mixer, we're going to mix this until it's nice and frothy. Okay, so guys, that's the result you want. It should be like a nice meringue. Alright guys, our nuts are out of the oven, nice and warm, so we'll put these straight into the egg white. Without the paper, of course. So what we're going to do is add in a teaspoon of salt to this, and we'll add about 4 tablespoons of mild curry powder. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and about 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. So let's just give this a good mix together and get all our nuts coated with the spices and the egg white. It's already starting to smell amazing. Now if you like, you can also go ahead and add in some sugar or some sweetener as well at this stage if you want. That is very popular these days. I'm not really a fan of sweet nuts, it doesn't make sense to me, but I prefer the salty and the spicy. But that's completely up to you. Okay. So we'll go ahead and pour this back onto our tray now. Alright, so I'm going to spread it out over 2 trays just so we get maximum coverage. I'm just going to spread it out on a nice thin layer. So we're going to go ahead and put these back into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so I've just gone ahead and taken them out of the oven and just look at that. How beautiful do they look. So guys, as tempted as you are to go ahead and try eat one now, don't do it, they're going to be very, very hot. So let's just let them cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we can go ahead and serve. Alright guys, that was my take on curried mixed nuts, a nice simple recipe. You can do that any day, and these will last pretty much forever, so keep them covered if you're putting them in storage. And that sounds amazing, doesn't it? Not too hot, but just right. With that bit of spice to make it more exciting, so they're not boring. So guys, variations wise, as I said, you can add sweeteners to this, so you can add syrups, sugars, different sort of candy. I've seen a lot of crazy things out there. Let me know in the comments how you like to eat your nuts. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.